So I'm back again. This is it, first day back at work.
Like a motherfucker stuck in your picture, middle finger out the window, getting fucked off. Liquor, get loaded, can't control it, nigga. Pass me the blood, let me roll it.
So let's see how today goes. Had some weird dreams last night. I had a dream last night that I ordered blind a fucking GS because it was going so cheap. I'll fucking have that. And then I remember it getting delivered to my mate's fucking mansion. I don't know if my mate is with a mansion, but I had one. And he said, here it is. And it was a fucking monkey bike, for fuck's sake. So that was going back. But yeah, what a fucking promising dream, wasn't it? Put me in a good mood. I left my indicator on there, Noggy. So yeah, I'm on my way work. I've come on bike today. It's given up rain today, so let's hope it's right. But if it does rain and I get caught out in it, I'll put a bit of Rain X on my camera lens, so it should just speed up and roll off. I should have put it all over my fucking legs and balls though. Really need to make up some time. Yeah, my wheels are rammy on my bike, even though I gave it a quick rinse off and wiped down, got it all off my bike and exhaust and my bodywork and that, but my wheels are fucking covered in like mud and shit. Looks like I've been riding through the fucking Sahara in it. Come on, mate. Don't like the wind, we have got to make up some time. I thought I missed a gear then, I didn't, it was my fucking rev limiter. Oh come on, fucking tractors, just my luck, this is tractor when you're in a rush. Not just one, two fucking tractors. Let's not give him one, let's throw two fuckers out in front of him. Oh, turning, get off there. Go on, mate. Oh, it's all up and down, isn't it? What time is it? It's 10:02 now. I'm normally at work opening up by now. Right, I'm going to turn you off. I'll turn you off. I'm going broths after work. See her, the girl. Went gym yesterday morning. So my plan is now to go. I'm only going to go a couple of times a week. Thursday night, go to my mum's, and then go at 9 o'clock on the way back from my mum's because it's dead. There's less people in there, so I'll try that. And then my plan going ahead is probably a Tuesday about 9 o'clock, and then a Sunday morning. That's my plan. We just try and dodge people. Yesterday when I went like at 8 o'clock or whatever, and it was alright. So yeah, that's my plan anyway. Just Try and dodge other humans. Right, Tontos, I'll see you after I've done my 10 hours. Ciao, mama.
One eternity later.
That's it. 10 hours over. I put my gloves on. I've not got my bloody key out of my pocket. Every time. That's it, done. And how was the first day back, you might ask? It's like I've never been away. Really ain't. Our broth now, go see her. She's done me like a little Sunday dinner, which is nice. Just hope it's all log fat. It's better. That's better. Got past the shit part now. That road is fucking terrible all the time. But yeah, so it's Wednesday, no, Tuesday. All my days are messed up now with bank holidays. It's Tuesday, so it's a short week this week. Next week's another short week because we're camping Elan, and then I think it's a short week the week after as well, isn't it? I'm off the Monday anyway after Elan Valley, and I think the Monday after is a bank holiday, so I ain't got a full week, but I am working Saturdays. So someone's on the Tweed. It's not you, mate, is it? It's Mercedes man in front. He's on Tweed, that lad is. Berkshire Super Skunk, if I'm not mistaken. Oh mate, and his little Mercedes. Getting skunked up, the lad is. Wait till he throws it out, we'll nick that. Watch out, mate, he's fucking stoned, this lad is in front. Fuck me, I thought he'd gone then. You know, I'll have munchies by the time I get me mum's. Go on, beaker face, for fuck's sake. So, could have gone then, you turd. Come on, dog shit. Dog shit's back in town. Fuck that, I'm going. Go and have this turd in a minute. I had to clean my back of my jacket this morning. It was covered in mud from the other day when I got pissed on. Absolutely covered in it. I had to wipe it down. I couldn't ride work with that. Looked like fucking someone had shat up my back. Yeah, I can't wait for Elan Valley. Me and our Roggy getting our little fucking bell tent. We'll love it. If anyone's watching who's going, come and join us. Get in between me and Aggie. We'll make some very strange babies. Oh, they will be. Little Shrek heads. Go and fuck Dusko. Wayne Walker, Wayne Walker. That's stuck in my head from somewhere. We're going Wayne Walkers. Take our broth Wayne Walkers, Liverpool on the 22nd. Just after camping. I'm off the Monday. And take it for a little run out there. We're gonna stock up on some chicken for a big boy. I don't know, well that's still, I understand why people wear cycling helmets, I do. You know, if you're fucking child like, but we never had them when we were kids. Our Roggy left half his fucking brain on corner of an old telephone box, run straight in the corner of it. Never did him any harm, did it? Look at him. Yeah, I'm afraid if I rode a push bike, I would not wear a helmet. Just couldn't. Sometimes you got to make the choice, haven't you? Do you want to look cool, or would you prefer die? You know what I mean? Die and look cool, or ride a bike and look a cunt. Well, I'm afraid I'll take my chances. Yeah. Right, I'm going to turn you off now. I'm at Broth, so I'll turn you back on after I've had my little Sunday dinner. Love you, Broth. Oh yeah. Well, that's it. I'm on my way back from our Broths. Going back home now. She did me like a little Sunday roast. It's beautiful, but she was fucked, the girl was. She fucking, I tell her not to do out, but she does it for something do, but it fucks her up. She can't fucking breathe that well, they're panting all the time. So yeah, she was fucked, the girl. Nice little Range Rover man. Yeah, I'm very full up now. It's beautiful. Not many people put onion rings on a Sunday dinner, but or a cooked dinner. Let's call it a cooked dinner. It's not Sunday, is it? But yeah, it's sorry, got carried away with that then. Yeah, cooked dinner. You'll put onion rings on it. I don't know why. Mind you, it's only my mum that I know that does, but fuck me. A couple of onion rings go so well with mashed potato. Oh yeah. Yeah, it's nice. Enjoyed it. Had some pork chops. Oh, it's gorgeous. Miss me pork chops so much. Go on, shit spreader. That's it, go a different way. I don't want that crap on me. Little Mercedes man, young lad, had to prove himself. Fuck off, mate. Could have had you. I hope there's a fucking cop down here for this cock. You get on my road, mate, and I will have you. Don't you worry about it. Ah, he's turning. No, he's too scared. He's seen the videos of me going up my road, you pussy bitch. Get out of my sight. You've let yourself down and your family, you fucking idiot. Yeah! Love it. Love it, what a turd. Speaking of turds, can't wait to get home. Oh, we're here. We're here, we're on it. Oh, Mr. Policeman, let's change up. Nothing to see here, officer, fuck off. Ah, you dickheads. The fucking Night Stalker's on his way. The fucking Night Stalker. I had to slow down then, I felt a bit guilty. Having too much fun. Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, it's beautiful. with a big bump. Fucking nearly fucking brought me testicles up to me fucking neck. Because I do not like people. Oh no, I don't. You're a cunt, and he's a cunt in the wagon. You're all cunts. Yeah. He's a cunt behind. Wayne. No, I'm not singing it. Fuck off, Wayne Walker. I'm not singing it anymore. Wayne Walker. It's come out on it. He's only gonna come out El Walker. Fucking 2 for $9.99 or whatever he's selling. Wayne Walker, he's still there. He's not leaving the ad. He's not leaving. I'll fucking strangle him with his own sausages, El Wayne Walker, if he don't get out of my head soon. Here we are. Back at the manor. That'll turn you off. That'll do me. And I'll chat some more shit next time it's drive left me indicator on again. I've done that 3 times today. All for Oggy. Alright. Roger Dodger, over and out. I've just farted.